Hello, all of you, dear students. Right now, we are discussing CA Foundation Accounts Exam, paper pattern, weightage, and some last moment reminders. Okay, right? Hope you have prepared all the chapters thoroughly, and this is the perfect time to revise, first of all the chapters, booster notes, what we have written. Like we have written quality good booster notes for consignment, for bills of exchange, what to remember, how to calculate the profit and equation for inventory chapter like that. So all the chapters or non-trading, when you say non-trading, there is a format of receipt and payment, income and expenditure, subscription account, opening, closing, receivable, received in advance and all. Okay. In final accounts, the crucial adjustments for the bad debt and the provision. So overall, just do the revision of the format and booster notes. Don't dive much into a chapter that 5-6 hours go in that chapter and you're not able to revise. And now the mindset. We should all know that it's a 3 hour exam, and of course the paper is going to be like of good speed. So I'm sharing the screen. If you want, you can note down. This is the paper pattern. Yeah, I hope the screen is all clear for all of you. So this is the paper pattern for CA Foundation Accounts exam. Yes, I have written my CA Foundation in 95. That time it was CA Foundation. Then came CPT with all MCQs. And now again it's CA Foundation. So here you have question number 1, compulsory to attempt. Question and marks. This is one question for 20 marks. Dear students, this is compulsory to attempt, but not compulsory to attempt it first. It's your choice which question you want to do first. But when you start with any question, you make sure that you solve all the bits together. I want to repeat, make sure you solve all the bits together. Okay, right. So bits together means, suppose you are doing question number 5. So question number 5 में A and B है. So start with B if you want, but B and then A, solve it at one place only. So question number 1 is compulsory question. In that A bit you have true and false. True and false. These are like 6 true and false. Some disturbance in the pen. 1 second. 6 true and false of 22 marks each. Okay. No internal choice. No internal choice in the true and false you have. And that makes it as 12 marks. Sometimes, when we want to record the best and the screen is giving trouble. 12 marks. 6 into 2. All right, 12 marks. Clear? Now, second is a theory question. Like last exam, they have what are the services given by the CA, what are the uses of depreciation, or what are the qualitative characteristics of financial statement. So 4 marks, 1 theory question is there, and C may 1 working problem is there. Okay? C may you have a practical problem generally for depreciation or rectification, and BRS 4 marks. That makes it 20 marks question number 1. True and false are very good. Partnership old and new PSR, issue of shares. As a nice topics they are asking, and just don't write true and false. 6 into 2, amazing 12 marks are with you, provided you write nice reasoning. So once again, I want to repeat, true and false are to be written with reasoning. Then only you get marks. Ma'am, I had doubt and I just wrote T, F, T, T. At least they will give 1 mark. No, I don't know. They'll give, because the importance is true and false with reasoning, 1 theory question and 1 problem. Now question number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of these 5 questions, any 4 questions for 20 marks, that makes it 80 marks and total 100 marks. Question number 1 is 20 marks, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any 4 questions you have to attempt. And dear students, please don't attempt extra question. Ma'am, I knew last 6 question ka BBIT I attempted. Jo acha laga, whichever is highest marks they will give. And let me tell you, first 5 questions only they will correct. They will not correct the extra questions solved by you. So please don't attempt extra questions. Is this clear to all of you? 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Out of this, any 4 questions you have to attempt for 80 marks each. Okay. Now in this, how it is internal, let me tell you. Best combination is 10 plus 10 marks. They are asking. 10 plus 10 marks they are asking. Please note all this down what I am saying. This will give you a perfect mindset. So if first impression is the best impression, age-old formula works. Ma'am, I knew question number 3 properly. One was BRS, another was depreciation. So attempt that first. Then you can do question number 1. Question number 1 is compulsory to attempt, not compulsory to attempt it first. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Generally 10, 10 marks combinations are there. Like against BRS, one question, BRS with adjusted cash book and depreciation. One you have rectification and consignment. And question number 6 is generally fixed. 10 plus 5 plus 5. In that, issue of shares and issue of debentures. These are for 5 marks and 10 marks they are asking. One question is always lengthy in all this 10 marks combination, and that is so many times your non-trading concern versus partnership. 10 marks they are asking. Non-trading, the beautiful part is either they'll ask receipt and payment or balance sheet, or sometimes subscription account and just the income and expenditure account. Everything will not be asked for 10 marks. But one thing is very sure, when you make a choice what question you have to attempt, 15 minutes is the reading time. Tabhi choose karke rakho. Don't waste much time in choosing. Okay, right. Now, when you are doing all this, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, in this, one suggestion from my side is, I'll tell you, dear students, average due date, account current, sale of goods on approval basis. These are the topics which are asked for 5 marks and your materials problem. What problems we have covered? Bills receivable and bills payable from the same party. You remember? In the average due date. Account current, simple account current of one person and another books by the product method. And it looks technical, but if you have studied it, then this is my suggestion. Don't leave these 5 marks. Rather than diving into 10 mark, 20 marks question for jumbo, ki correct hai to pure milenge, nahi to nahi. So this is a good option. Okay. Bills of exchange is also super easy. When you write an exam journal entry, make sure you write narration, being goods sold. In brief, you write. Okay. But you write. One more presentation aspect is working note. If you are making partnership problem, then new PSR in the working note 1, working note 2, goodwill. And if they ask you journal entries in case of death of the partner, still chota sa partner's capital account bana hi lo in the working note. That is what is suggestible. Yes. And weightage and all, I hope it is clear. I can't say that this comes without fail. Then definitely partnership, non-trading, BRS, rectification. These are the chapters which have never skipped any exam. Yes. Depreciation, one problem, but BRS to 100% 10 marks weightage problem is coming. Rectification of errors comes in true and false also, which is the type of the error, how you are going to, so justify. So write the proper reason and little smart work. Somewhere you have stuck up, so do kiya, chhod do, go ahead. Make sure you attempt 100% paper in the exam. मैम मेरा पेपर हमेशा छूटता है, 85 मार्क्स मैं करके आऊंगा और 80 मिलेंगे. नो प्लीज डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दीज आर प्रोफेशनल एग्जाम्स. You can't say what silly mistake you have done and where. Okay? You all have done great efforts. I can't say I remember wherein I have taken 3 class as morning and evening class with you and you all have supported. Right? So you know what is logging. Partnership 15 good classes in depth we have done. Goodwill के लिए 2 दिन से PSR के लिए 2 दिन admission. So trust yourself, trust your teachers that your pen will flow. Have a nice mindset before the exam. Reach exam center before 1 hour. And you know every exam center के पास कोई शटर बंद होगा, कोई पार्किंग होगी, कोई छोटा सा पार्क होगा. Sit quietly. If you are A category student who wants to read till last moment, go ahead. It's your nature, your exam. If you are a student who doesn't like to revise 1 hour before exam, बहुत पढ़ लिया, अब जो एग्जाम में देखेंगे, relax. Do your prayer. Visualize that you are coming out of exam center with a satisfied answer sheet. Can you visualize that now? Yes ma'am, accounts का पेपर खत्म हो गया, बहुत अच्छा गया, मैं स्टेशनरी बैग में डाल रही हूँ and I am deciding how I am going to prepare for the next exam. Dare you waste time in discussing the paper outside exam center? Why you want to do that? Once the exam is over, dare to throw the paper in the exam center's dustbin. हो गया, रात गई बात गई. Now, I'll go home, sleep. After that, next whatever is the subject of that small topics, I will do. Rest, 1 day holidays there, I'll do. Plan. This is the mindset. And anyone is having clear mindset, but little parents are, you know, sometimes restless. So I always say that parents are, you know, parents are very innocent. Actually, I'm also a mom first and then mom. So make sure that you give them relaxation. Mommy, you just pray that I've written my exam super well and I've done super well. बस वही vibrations आप भेजो, आप चिंता मत करो. You pacify them. You all are quite grown up and you all are like techno people. We don't know that technology what you all know. In my class, so many technical things my students help me out. And I'm glad, I feel happy. I don't say कि मैं क्यों help you. I'm so glad. Come and help me and I'm ready to learn with you all. Yes. So with this positive vibrations, we are closing this discussion. Still, if you feel any doubt is there in your mind, comment below this video. Ask me right now, those who are watching this live. If you have any doubt, you can unmute and ask. You can put it in chat. I hope you have got weightage wise mindset and all. और एवरेज ड्यू डेट अकाउंट करंट थोड़े छोटे छोटे टॉपिक्स आर स्कोरिंग rectification BRS sale of goods on approval basis. These are time savers because of course you will need extra time for partnership non-trading and all, and 3 hours में paper खत्म होता है. If something is very tough in the exam, something is easy also which will help you to score bare minimum 50 marks, but 15 on. You all have said that ma'am you have got 95, we will also get 95 and above. You can do it, trust. It's within the syllabus only. I hope you have already done the revision of the RTP and the mock test. If you have not done, just go through it orally. That gives you a mindset, very beautiful mindset. क्यों करना है पता है mock test paper? Because and if you attempt it in 3 hours and check for yourself, कोई demotivation नहीं है. जब खुद से करोगे तो you know individually partnership well. Non-trading में subscription account is your favorite. T-format subscription account you have learned properly. When it is all combined, are you able to recollect? Is your pen flowing? Are you able to jump from question to question? So for that mindset, spare 3 hours, late night today, tomorrow morning, still 2 days before exam we are right now. तो एक 3 घंटे लगा के पेपर सॉल्व करो and immediately check for yourself. Oh, there also 4 points are there. I have also written 4 points, but I've combined and I wrote it in 3 points. So presentation matters. Black ballpoint you have to use, and with the same pen try to underline. If you're writing some advantages or features of consignment like that, with the same pen can you underline the side headings? और side heading लिखने का भी time नहीं है. चलो in a running you're writing. What are the advantages of charging depreciation? profit and analysis and presentation, blah blah. Underline the clue word. ठीक है? From
मैम
my
इसको नेगेटिव मार्क नहीं है ना मैम?
no negative marking is there. Nice question. No negative markings are there.
लॉ कॉपी में नहीं है ना मैम?
This is not an MCQ exam. No negative markings are there.
ओके मैम.
Huh? But
मैम वी हैव टू यूज ओनली ब्लैक बॉल पेन ओनली?
yes, black ballpoint only you should use because then the papers are scanned. Put a proper tick mark also what question you have attempted on the first page.
And we
Maybe
should not use pencil also?
pencil, no, you use pen only for the scaling and all also. Black ballpoint pen with the scale.
For format also we should use black pen only?
Yeah, black pen and format also. Now when you have asked, I want to say, suppose you are एक चैप्टर जिसमें हमने 3-4 लेजर्स बनाए ना, जैसे पार्टनरशिप, रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट, पार्टनर्स, कैपिटल अकाउंट, फुल पेज, डू द स्केलिंग. ज्यादा फॉर्मेटिंग में जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. मिनिमल what is required, you do the formatting, that is fine. Okay, and use black ballpoint pen only. That is what is recommended because your papers are going to be scanned. Okay, right. If you find all these tips helpful, make sure please you share it in other groups with your other foundation friends. And still any doubt is there, comment below this video. And to be in touch with us, below this video you have WhatsApp and Telegram link. You can join that group. You can download CA Deepti Cheda's concept classes app, and in CA Foundation non-trading, inventory, many of the chapters full video lectures are unlocked. You can watch and enjoy learning from that conceptual.
ओके मैम. मैम एनपीओ में एक डाउट है मैम, मैं आपको व्हाट्सएप में क्वेश्चन सेंड करें?
Okay. Send me whatever doubts you have, no, dear students, click the photo and in the voice note you write your doubt. Okay, I'll surely clear it. Okay.
ओके
I
मैम.
hope all your doubts are clear and super mindset is there. It's not mindset comes one day before exam. Every time when we are taking a regular class, I say exam के हिसाब से approach लेके आओ. Learning अलग है. But by the time we come to the 50-60% of the chapter is over, I said have the approach. Give 2 effects simultaneously, one in the trading account, one in the balance sheet for the adjustment. Don't jump in doing the totals till you complete putting all the adjustments in the final accounts. Final accounts के लिए this is very important. Trial balance figures you post, adjustments you give double effect, and then when you complete all adjustments double effect, then you start totaling the working notes, and then you start totaling your trading and all. And very important small doubt, worst case suppose you have a doubt that one side total is wrong, whichever side total you feel it is correct, write it with pen on both the sides. Are you getting? Don't write different totals in the exam. Now this is smart work. You know कि asset side का total तो correct ही है, liability में कहीं कुछ difference है, last 5-7 minutes नहीं मिल रहा है, तो एक बार के लिए तो just write both the totals and don't write anything in pencil in the exam. Okay? Don't put any remarks except your roll number in the question paper also. That will amount to cheating. So all your choices and all you make it in your mind very clear, and when you get answer sheet you can start. Okay?
Ma'am, any papers we have to carry?
No need. In your answer sheet only, suppose you are doing non-trading with some rough work you want to do, some T format, then in your answer sheet only, working note or cross-checking लिख के, there only you can do. So
Okay.
no other papers and rough papers you need to carry. No need. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Any more doubt? Please, no doubt is silly. All of you can ask me. नो डाउट इज सिली कि सब लोग तो पूछ रहे, ये तो बहुत छोटा सा डाउट है, मैं कैसे पूछूं? डाउट इज डाउट एंड इट हैज टू बी क्लियर. ओके
मैम,
या
मैम अगर सेकंड क्वेश्चन में कोई भी क्वेश्चन ABC क्वेश्चन पूरे नया है समझ लो, थर्ड क्वेश्चन में लिख सकते हैं मैम?
या लिसन, यू आर अटेम्प्टिंग क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. A bit you don't know, B bit you know, attempt B bit, A के लिए स्पेस रख दो और क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 करो, फिर वापस आके क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का A bit करो, बट डोंट सॉल्व एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस. मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का B bit I did, Question number 3 का A bit, will they combine and count? Answer is no. No. Total, I told you, no, total 6 questions are there. Out of that, question number 1 compulsory, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, any 4 you have to attempt. But of course I got your doubt कि question number 2 का B bit आया, A अभी नहीं आ रहा, तो छोड़ दो. Suppose if it is consignment, you know, 1 page consignment account and 2nd page it's working note for inventory with the consignee and all. So leave 1 or 2 pages, question number 2 A bit लिख के, and start question number 3 A bit and B bit, then come again to question number 2 A bit solve कर. अभी clear है?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. What else? Any more doubts? Anyone? Okay. Right.
Okay.
Then we are closing. Wish you all the very best to you. The best will only come to you. Trust and go, and lots of blessings to each one of you. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Bye bye, all of you.